Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School.
Here on stage we have Jibran Ahmed, Aiza Ahmed, Sayyid Abu Bakr, Husna Fatima, Khaja Rahman, Sidra Rahman, Muhammad Ismail, Zahra Fatima, Taha Sheikh, Maira Khan, Aqib Haider and Abdul Haimad.
Give a huge round of applause for our students. Let's welcome on stage.
MashaAllah, our students are welcoming our founder and CEO.
Salam, salam, Assalamualaikum. May peace be upon you. Wassalam, wassalam, wa alaikum salam. May peace be upon you too. This is how we greet each other every day. Assalamualaikum, we will say. I say Assalamualaikum, may peace be upon you. You say wa alaikum salam, may peace be upon you too. Salam, salam, Assalamualaikum, may peace be upon you. Wassalam, wassalam, wa alaikum salam, may peace be upon you too. We are brothers and sisters of one human race. We must wish each other peace and blessings always. So we greet each other. Assalamualaikum, we say. Wa alaikum salam, you must say. We must love and respect everyone, never hurt nor be rude to anyone. And when we meet each other, we must say salam, 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 Assalamualaikum, may peace be upon you. Wassalam, wassalam, wa alaikum salam, may peace be upon you too. Islam is a religion of love and peace. Our love for everyone will never cease. So we say salams to you and everyone, everyone under the sun. As Muslims we must wish well for everyone alike. Because we are all equal in the eyes of Allah the Most High. So we wish them well by saying salam. That's why we are taught in Islam. Salam, salam, Assalamualaikum. May peace be upon you. Wassalam, wassalam, waalaikum salam. May peace be upon you too. Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। माशाल्लाह बच्चों ने एक साथ बहुत खूबसूरत हमद पेश की है। May I request to our CEO Sir Sadiq Sir to come on stage and felicitate along with Sir. May I request to Abeda Miss, please come on stage ma'am and felicitate our students.
Your teamwork and dedication shone brightly in that wonderful performance.
Congratulations students, you very well deserved.
MashaAllah. Congratulations, students. Parents are requested to take back the students from the living area. पेरेंट्स से आदमन गुजारिश है वो अपने बच्चों को लिविंग एरिया से जाकर ले सकते हैं.